Dreambaby's Liberty Xtra gate is a strong, versatile safety gate to fit doorways, stairways, and hallways. Extensions can be added for wider openings. The gate opens in both directions with a convenient one-handed operation, so for adults carrying small children, it's a real bonus. The gate also has a Smart Stay Open feature where it stays open on both sides when passing through. Quite convenient for tasks like carrying in the groceries. To install, simply size the doorway, tighten the screw adjusters till the latch is secure and the gate is correctly lined up and fitted, and enjoy the benefit of knowing your children are properly protected. To open, slide the button, pull up, and step through. Always remember when installing, the mounting cups must be screwed into place. It is important to install your Dreambaby gate precisely to our instructions, which are included with every gate.